Item of value, selling your home 101. You're ready to sell your home and you wanted to move quick? Let's talk about some things you can do that will help you. So first thing, start packing, clearing out. Make the rooms look bigger by getting rid of stuff. Get your home move-in ready. What does that mean? I took a picture down, there's a hole, fill that hole before you paint. So there's not holes all in your wall so people can move in. Have a home inspection. You know, this is very eye-opening. These home inspections are promulgated forms. They go through these, there's 30 to 40 pages, and it's scary sometimes, but know what's going on with your house. Know if you're gonna have to put money somewhere, be aware. Boost your curb appeal. What does that mean? It means make sure that your flower beds, put some mulch in. Mulch is cheap. Make sure your maintenance is done, that your bushes are all trimmed up and the grass is cut. If it's the dead of summer, make sure you're watering your grass so it's green. People want a pretty house. When they drive up, if they don't like it from the outside, they may not like it on the inside. Clean. Make it professional clean. Make it spotless the best you can. You never know which potential client that's walking through may like your home. And stage your home. What does that mean? It means you're going to clear out as much as you can and you're going to put just specific items in there to make that house look homey. So thanks for joining me. I hope those tips are helpful. Call us if you have any questions. Marvel Home Team, Tim and Rocky Marvel.